If you've just worked a long day, go ahead and grab your roller, grab your mat, sit down and relax, and we're going to reset your body from the daily grind. Glenn Dawson here with ResetU Fitness, and what we're going to cover today is how to reset your body from a desk job. Most of our clients here at ResetU are already balanced out. They've got their muscular imbalances that cause the pain already fixed, but if you sit at a desk all day, chances are that you're rounded, head's tilted forward, shoulders are pulled in, chest is tight, hips are tight, everything's tight. If you don't fix it, there's a good chance you go to bed and wake up grouchy. So follow along. You can literally do this video with me. Grab your foam roller. The first thing we're gonna do is reset the spine. So you're gonna aim for mid-back, and we're gonna do some spinal extensions. So you're gonna start here at mid-back, interlock your hands behind your head, so that you're not lifting your head with your neck. Those neck muscles get tight. And we're going to extend our elbows away from our hips, just like so. Then sit back up. Once you've done that, move your hips forward an inch, and you're gonna go again. Now you're going to keep going until you get to the top part of your neck, and you can't tilt back anymore, and then go back down. And what we're doing is we're just gliding those vertebrae the opposite way that they've been all day, that you've been at your desk. Now, if you don't have a desk job, this isn't going to be bad for you. Most of us are curled around our cell phone or driving a lot, hands on the wheel. If you're a realtor, there's a good chance that you're driving around all the time. Maybe you drive Uber. I don't know. A lot of us drive and use our cell phone. That's a perfect one for you. The next one we're gonna do is a foam roll snow angel. This is one of my favorites to open up your chest. You're gonna line up your foam roller with your pelvis so that it's right in alignment with your spine. Lay on the foam roller, making sure that your head is on the roller. You're gonna go palms facing up, and then do snow angel circles with your arms 10 times, nice and slow. Now, if your arms can't go all the way or they're super, super, super tight, stay within your range of motion. There's no reason for you to go super hard on any of these movements or hurt yourself. You're just gonna do whatever your body gives you. We'll do 5 more, and then we're gonna move on to stretching our hips. Okay, now that we've got that taken care of, we're gonna do one of my favorite hip stretches, the world's greatest stretch, or I like to call it the Spider-Man stretch. Either way, it's very awesome. We're gonna go through each detailed step for you. So the first movement I want you to do is you're gonna go into a lunge. From here, you're gonna move this foot out, and we're gonna push this knee away and look away, just like so. And you're gonna do 5 of these. This is gonna open up your groin and give you access to the hip capsule here. Next, if this is your first time doing this, I would block this with the foam roller or a yoga block. You're gonna take your elbow and press down towards your front ankle. Or if you don't need it, you can go down all the way to the ground. Hold this for about 30 seconds. Make sure you breathe, and make sure this knee, as you're holding, doesn't collapse in and get close to your body. You want to try to keep it out as far as possible. Now, once you've done that, I'm going to drop this back hip. I'm going to rotate up, look up, and then raise my arm to the ceiling, giving me a stretch in the back hip. I'm going to do this for another 30 seconds. Now, you're going to want to perform both sides of this stretch. And open up both hips. So we'll do both sides. 5 external rotations. 2, 3,
4, and 5, and then elbow down. Remember, if you don't have the flexibility, use the block. Make sure your knee stays out, that front knee, away from your center line. And then after around 30 seconds, you're gonna look up, reach up, drop this back hip, and give yourself a stretch in that back hip flexor. Hold this for another 30 seconds. And then the last one we're gonna do is a couple of hip openers and get your glute released. You're sitting on your butt the entire time you're sitting at a desk. It's not turned on, it's not happy. So what we're gonna do is bring your knee to your chest, up and out, and give yourself that nice glute stretch 5 times each side. This is also a super safe one for lower back because your spine is straight the entire time. And once you finish, you got all of them done. Go and walk around. You should feel amazing. Now, guys, if this brought you value, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're going to keep giving you stuff like this every single week. And if you're not subscribed here, it's a good chance you could miss out on something that can really, really help you. If you really want to get crazy, you should take this share link and share it with a friend who has poor posture and kind of say, hey, this is really cool, we should do it together. But, not tell them they have poor posture because that'd be rude. But just give them the video as like your way of saying, hey, this could really help you. Not that you need it, but like maybe you do. Thanks.